Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This model answer shows you one effective way to write a CELPIP writing task 1 email. Remember, you can pause this video to read the complete email example at your own pace. This email successfully addresses all parts of the task. It clearly provides details about the problem, describing the leaky bathroom faucet. It then explains why it needs to be fixed, mentioning water waste and potential damage. Lastly, it suggests a good time for a repair person to visit, offering specific availability during weekdays. The email is well organized with a clear greeting and logical paragraphs. The tone is polite and formal, which is appropriate for writing to a property manager. Notice how simple linking words like firstly, secondly, and lastly help guide the reader smoothly. They make the email easy to follow. We also used two slightly more advanced words, appreciate and convenient. These are good examples of how you can add a few B2 level words without making the text too difficult for beginners. For your own writing, always start by carefully breaking down the prompt into its 3 main points. Make sure you address each point completely and clearly in your email. This strategy will help you achieve a strong score for content and task achievement. Let's look at why this answer choosing option A scores well. Remember, you can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer on your screen. This response clearly states a preference for sports classes in the very first sentence. It then gives two main reasons to support this choice. The first reason is about health and well-being, explaining that physical activity is good for both the body and the mind. The second reason focuses on learning new skills and meeting people, which helps build community connections. The writer effectively uses clear examples like yoga, soccer, and swimming lessons. The answer is very well organized with a clear introduction and two distinct body paragraphs. Each paragraph presents a main reason with supporting details. Finally, there is a brief and effective conclusion. This strong structure makes it very easy for the reader to follow the ideas. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is exactly right for a survey response. Notice the useful linking words that connect ideas smoothly throughout the answer. Phrases like firstly and secondly clearly introduce new reasons. For example, helps to give specific details and examples. The phrase in conclusion effectively signals the end of the response, summarizing the main points. Two good vocabulary words that are a little more advanced are beneficial and opportunity. These are used correctly and naturally in the text. Beneficial means something that is helpful or good for you, and opportunity means a chance to do something. Now let's explore why this second answer, choosing option B, is effective. Feel free to pause the video to read the complete answer on your screen. This response clearly states its preference for hobby groups, for neighbors in the first sentence. It then provides two strong reasons to support this choice. The first reason discusses building community connections and helping people meet new neighbors. The second reason highlights learning new things and sharing skills, which can be relaxing and enjoyable. The writer uses clear examples such as reading clubs, craft workshops, and knitting groups. The answer shows excellent organization with a clear introduction and two well-developed body paragraphs. Each paragraph presents a main reason with supporting details. Finally, there is a short and effective conclusion. This structure helps the reader understand the main points easily. The tone is appropriate for a survey response, being semi-formal and polite. The answer uses useful linking words to connect ideas smoothly. Firstly and secondly clearly introduce new reasons. For example, provide specific illustrations. The phrase in conclusion clearly marks the end of the response and summarizes the main ideas. Two good vocabulary words that are slightly more advanced are socialize and diverse. These words are used accurately and naturally. Socialize means to meet and spend time with other people. Diverse means showing a great deal of variety.